Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's November 15th, and today we're going to talk about some herbs that are winter hardy. Now, we have the sun coming up here this morning, and we have some herbs that we had them out in the greenhouse. We started them out from seed. They were small, and we brought them in, and we're going to talk about these things. Now, what I have here, I have some lemon balm, which it's really taking off and doing good. Now, lemon balm is really cold hardy. Most of these are good down to minus 20 as far as lemon balm and your mints and stuff like that. Now, my sage, it's only good roughly about 30 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll pot this up because I'm needing some more sage plants. And this one I'll keep in the greenhouse. But these others can be planted out into their permanent beds. I have some spearmint, and I have some thyme. I had run out of thyme, and I got some more. I got a bed where I used to have my rosemary that keeps dying, and the thyme did real good there, so I'm going to move this thyme out into that bed and let it take over. Now, a lot of these I would say are invasive as far as they'll keep seeding and they'll keep spreading and this, and so they're better in a container or somewhere that they're kind of confined. Maybe you have a raised bed that you can keep them in that area, and you can always walk on them or whatever around your walkway, so you don't have to worry about it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to try to get some of these out in the garden. Okay, we have our spearmint in its container, and we have our lemon balm in its container. And now these are perennials, so that they'll come back if they get froze down and damaged to that point if the temperature gets low enough. But they'll survive down to like minus 20, which is good because, like I say, it might burn the leaves, it might damage them. So a lot of times it turns them purple, but you don't have to worry about replanting them. Once you plant them, they'll be back. And we have our thyme in its permanent bed. It'll do well here. It was up in the bed up here. As you can see, the chives have kind of taken over. It's that time of year we need to actually pull all these out. We'll probably pull them all out, recompost, and then split and put a few back in here. They're getting pretty wild now, but you just never have enough time. So this ought to do good. Now it usually, unless we get a real harsh winter, it will just keep on growing. It's not going to get no hurry with the cooler weather, but it's in the ground. But anyway, think about planting your cold weather herbs. Go ahead and plant your seeds, get them up, and put them in the ground, and they'll be ready for springtime. I hope you enjoyed this little update. And of course, if you want to see more and you're not subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.